How to change Twitter discoverability settings. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to change Twitter discoverability settings. Okay, straight into it. First, open the Twitter app and then tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Tap Privacy and Safety and scroll down and select Discoverability and Contacts. Then tap the switches beside Let Others Find You by your email address and Let Others Find You using your phone number. Disabling these will disallow others from finding your Twitter account through your linked contact information, including when they might sync their device's address book with Twitter to find friends to follow. And that's all it takes to change your discoverability settings on Twitter. If you found this video helpful, I'd love if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.